In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This step-by-step tutorial will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you know exactly how to get it done, even if you're new to using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly add video content to your PDF documents, enhancing your presentations, reports, or any PDF file where dynamic media can make an impact. Let's begin by opening the PDF file you want to work with in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Make sure the file you choose is the one you want to enhance with a video. Once your document is open, direct your attention to the upper left-hand corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the All Tools option nestled among the menu options available. Go ahead and click on All Tools to open up a full suite of features that Adobe Acrobat Pro DC has to offer. With the Tools tab open, your next step is to explore the additional tool options. This is done by clicking on View More. This might seem like a subtle step, but it gives you access to a wider array of tools that you might not have noticed at first glance. As we venture deeper into these tools, look for the Add Rich Media option. This is the pivotal tool that allows you to insert various multimedia elements into your PDF, including videos. Once you click on Add Rich Media, your screen will prompt you with an interactive option. At this point, you'll need to decide exactly where you want your video to appear within the PDF. You can do this by dragging your mouse to create a box in the desired location, or simply double-clicking in the area where you'd like the video to be placed. After setting the location, a dialog box will pop up on your screen. This dialog box is your gateway to selecting the video file. You should notice a Browse button within this box. Click on Browse to navigate through your computer's files and directories. Now select the video file you wish to insert. This could be any supported video format that you have saved on your device. As you find the right file, highlight it and click on Open. This action tells Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to start processing the video so that it can be embedded into your PDF. And there you have it, a video seamlessly embedded within your PDF document. This step-by-step process might take a little practice if you're doing it for the first time, but just by following along with this guide, you're well on your way to mastering the technique of adding video content into PDFs using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Feel free to explore and add other multimedia elements to further enhance your PDF documents with this powerful tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.